you have got 100 mangoes, okay, at 100 rupees, okay, and you went to a market and you sold 50 mangoes at 90 rupees. 90 rupees. Are you making a profit or are you making a loss? Profit. How? Okay. Making a profit or a loss? Profit. Everyone profit. Online?
Yes, sir.
Profit. Okay. Now here still you're having how many mangoes left now? 50. Now among these 50, the mangoes you can sell it. You can sell it at a higher cost. You can sell it at the same cost, whatever it is. You can make a profit. Else, the worst case scenario, all these mangoes are rotten. Now only you said profit, so soon you're changing a statement to loss. Now, whenever the statement is not complete or the information is not given, you cannot assume something on your own. Now, this is the first rule. Second rule, whenever you're dealing with profit and loss, whatever quantity you got, you should be selling the 100% quantity. Only then you can tell whether it is a profit or loss. If you're getting 100 mangoes, sell 100 mangoes, then only you can tell whether it is a profit or a loss. When you're selling only 50% of it, 60% of it, you cannot assume and tell whether it is a profit or loss. Okay, this is a second rule. Always, whenever you come across this and you're asking a question whether it's a profit or a loss, you should tell cannot be determined. That's it. Okay. Only when if it is 100% sold, only then you can tell. So whatever questions are going to come, everything is assumed or everything is said that it is 100% sold or 100%. Got it? Now with this said, take up the problems. From 9 to 13, everything is going to be similar to this. You need to find out whether it is a profit or a loss. See, let me just clarify. 10th one, it is going to be, this is 9, okay.
Sir, 10 and 11 are same, I guess.
Sorry, 10 and 11 are same. No, it is not the same. Here it is 9 articles. Of selling price of 9 articles, cost price of 9 articles. Just give a try for 9th one first. First, I'll give a try for 9th one, then I'll go for the 10th one. 10% profit. Okay. After selling 72 articles, Indu earns a profit equals to 9 articles. Selling price of 9 articles. Find profit percent. They have said that it is a profit. They have said it is a profit. So now, is your 9th question completed for everyone? Okay, do the 9th one, let me know. For 10th one, I'll just explain it, then you do. Else, if you want to give a try, give a try. Explain the concept already, but you just need to implement it. See, after selling 72 articles, okay, it means 100% sold. So what is the buying? How much would I have brought? If you sold 72, how much you bought? You obviously you also brought 72 only. So 72 selling, 72 cost. So then you need to start calculating from there. Okay. Here they are telling that it's a profit. So profit is nothing but what's profit? Selling price minus cost price. So here you are telling that you're selling 72 articles. 72 selling minus obviously cost is also should be the same. 72 cost price. Sorry, 1 second. 72 cost price, right? Equal to what's the profit? Profit equals to 9 selling price. 9 selling price. 9 selling price. Now 9 selling price equal to 72 SP minus 72 CP. It's nothing but 72 CP equal to 72 minus 9. That is nothing but 63 SP. Now this is the ratio what you got. From here you need to find out the percentage. Same question, but the concept what I said has to be implemented here. Has to be implemented. Answer 10%. For 2,750 selling price, cost price is 2,500. So profit becomes 250. So 250 divided by 2,500 into 100 becomes 10%. 10th one who is not clear still? Not clear? Okay. Question is after selling 72 articles. Okay. 72 articles sold, right? Hindu earns a profit equals to 9 equals to selling price of 9 articles. So profit equals to 9 selling price, 9 selling price. Okay, fine. Find profit percentage. This is what is given. So obviously profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Yes, selling price minus cost. Here they are telling 72 articles sold means 72 selling price. Obviously you should have got also so much. 72 only you should have got. Only then you can sell 72. 72 cost price. Okay, and profit is nothing but 9 selling price. 9 selling price. Fine. And now can you simplify it? It becomes 72 cost price equal to 63 selling price. So cost price by selling price equal to 63 by 72. So cost price is 63, selling price is 72. Now can you calculate the profit percentage? What's the profit? 9. So 9 divided by 63 into 100. What's the answer? 14.2. That's what I said. No, 100 mangoes you got. You sold 50. You sold 50. Obviously you cannot tell in this case whether it is a profit or a loss. Only if you buy 100 and sell 100, only then you can tell whether it is a a profit or a loss. Here, when they're giving a question, 72 articles sold, it means obviously they should have got 72. Only if 100% is sold, then it is right. Yes, 72 articles sold, selling 72 articles. If selling is 72 articles, obviously they should have got 72 articles. Right? That's the reason I'm just doing 72 CP, 72 SP. Here, see, if you are finding it difficult to change it into ratios and do, just directly take it also, no issues. So from this step, CP is equal to 63, SP equal to 72 directly. So CP is 63, SP is 72. Even you can take it directly, no issues. Why? Which one? How you take ratios? How you take ratios? Ratio is something like something divided by something is going to give you ratios, right? So is this in the form of ratio? No. No. So can I make it in the form of ratio? How can I make it? Cost price divided by the selling price. Cost price divided by the selling price will give you ratio. So I can bring it here. If I bring it from the numerator, so will it become reciprocal? This is LHS. This is RHS. This is RHS, right? CP divided by SP. 72 CP divided by SP equal to 63. Accepted, not accepted? Yes, yes or no? You 72 CP. Here it is there, no? Same thing. I'm just keeping it here. I'm just keeping it here. This SP I'm bringing it down. That's all. Equal to 63. Okay. Now CP divided by SP. Can I take this 72 down here? CP divided by SP equal to 63 divided by 72. Right? So now the ratio of CP is 63 and ratio of SP is 72. Now this is one of the things. Else, if you're finding all these things confusing, sir, I do not want to do ratios and all. Just give me directly. Okay. Take it directly also. Whenever you get these kind of an equation, obviously CP is going to be the 63. SP is going to be 72. Sorry. Okay. Whichever is more easier to you, remember it that way. Fine. Clear? Answer 14.28%. Okay. For 11, 12, 13. Do it. All are same. 11, 12, 13. We are just doing type number 2. After selling 12 articles, Amit loses equal to CP of 4 articles. Find loss percentage. What is loss? Loss equal to what? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. Now, after selling 12 articles, so it means he has sold 12, he has got 12, purchased 12. So it becomes 12 CP minus 12 SP equal to loss of how much? 4 articles. Selling price of 4 articles. 4 11th one. Earlier you got SP of 9 articles. It is CP of 9 articles. Check. Minus 72 plus 72 plus 9. 81. CP will become 81. Okay, it becomes 63. What's the answer for 11th one? After selling 72 articles, Vivek earns a profit equals to CP of 9 articles. Find profit percentage. Here, after selling, find the loss percentage. This is what is asked, right? Find the loss percentage. So loss is equal to, first write down every step. Loss percentage equal to cost price minus selling price. Fine? Yes. Now they are, so after selling 12 articles, it means 12 SP, 12 SP. Obviously, when they are selling 12, cost is also 12 CP. Fine. Amit loses equal to CP of 4 articles. So loss is 4 CP. Yes, 4 CP. So now 4 CP equal to 12 CP minus this. So it becomes 8 CP equal to 12 SP, or CP is 12, selling price is 8. So what's the loss? 4. Loss is 4. Okay. If loss is 4, what is the percentage? 4 upon 12 into 100. How much is it? 33.33. 33.33%. Correct. Why are you making mistakes then? If you can answer here, obviously you should be doing that, right? Why are you making mistakes? Then it means you are not reading the question slowly and not doing every steps. Now read the question again. 13th one. After selling 12 articles, Amit loses equal to SP of 8 articles. Find loss percentage. Can you do it now slowly and properly? I want answers from everyone to be right. 13th one. You know the formulas, you know everything. Just substitute it, find the answers. I have not given any huge formulas and all. Very, very basic thing, whichever you derived it. Yes, 13th answer. They're asking you to find loss or profit. Loss. What is the formula for loss? After selling how many articles? 12. So how many cost? 12. Clear? Loss of 4 SP. Loss of 4 SP. 4 SP. 8 SP. Okay. Now 8 SP is loss. Now what's the equation? 12 CP equal to 20. CP is 20. SP is 12. All clear till here? Okay. Now what's the loss? 8. 8 divided by 20 into 100 becomes 2 times 5 times. What is 2 by 5? What is 1 by 5? What's 1 by 5? 20. What's 2 by 5? 40%.